The Chime error 401, unauthorized, occurs when the app cannot verify your login credentials. This is an HTTP status code indicating authentication failure in the app's secure connection to Chime's servers. Essentially, it's like a security bouncer at a club, not recognizing your ID. The app's authentication system is having trouble confirming your identity. Here's what the error looks like in a web browser, showing the 401 unauthorized message. This error is commonly caused by outdated login info, network hiccups, or app glitches like corrupted cache. It's not a hack or security breach, just a temporary issue. Don't worry, this video will walk you through simple step-by-step fixes to get back to managing your Chime account. The 401 unauthorized error arises from authentication issues between your Chime app and Chime's servers. Common triggers include expired or invalid login tokens, like temporary keys that prove you're you. App cache corruption, where old data interferes with the login process. Unstable internet connections that cause network disruptions during verification. Logging in from multiple devices at the same time, creating access conflicts. And stricter security measures after updates, like version 6.8.2 with enhanced verification requirements. Also, Chime's stricter security after updates like v6.8.2 can cause this. Knowing the cause helps pinpoint the fix. First, try the simplest solution. Close the Chime app completely, then reopen it and attempt to log in again. Ensure you're entering your correct username and password. A simple restart can often clear minor glitches or refresh your app's connection to Chime's servers. This resolves about 20% of cases, so it's worth a try before digging deeper. If restarting the app didn't resolve the 401 error, the cache might be corrupted. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Chime, go to Storage, and clear both cache and data. On iOS, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes old data and forces fresh login credentials, which is particularly effective after app updates. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent the Chime app from properly verifying your credentials. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or a stable mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. A speed test can also confirm if your internet is functioning normally. This step addresses about 15% of 401 errors related to connectivity. Step 4 involves updating the Chime app. An outdated app may have bugs or compatibility issues that cause the 401 error. Check for updates in the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Update to version 6.8.2 or later, which includes enhanced session management to help prevent the error. Updating ensures you have the latest fixes and security enhancements. Regular updates are crucial for smooth app operation. If you've tried all the previous steps and still get the 401 error, it's time to contact Chime support directly. Visit the Chime website or use the app to find their support contact information. Explain the issue and the steps you've already taken. Chime support can investigate your account and provide further assistance. They resolve around 85% of cases with personalized support. Chime is developing AI-driven solutions to automatically detect and resolve 401 errors before they impact users. Future technologies will include continuous authentication that verifies users in real time, reducing the need for manual logins. Blockchain-based security will provide tamper-proof authentication, eliminating many login issues entirely. To prevent future 401 errors, always keep your app updated to access the latest security features. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions to prevent authentication failures. Enable multi-factor authentication for an additional layer of security against unauthorized access. Staying informed about updates and being proactive with security measures ensures a smoother and more secure Chime experience.